My room temperature just went down. Normally it happens when I feel some unusual activity inside my room, and I just opened my gate. It was little warmer, but now the temperature has gone down. I heard that ghosts have power to change the temperature, and whenever their energy come, the room temperature get down. Well, okay. Oh my God. This was the reason for temperature. Hello? Did you down our temperature? Hey, did you down my room temperature? Are you there? I'm talking with you. Come in front of me. Okay.